Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And today, I am part of an enormous collaboration given by Claire's Crafty Corner. This is a global collaboration, and I am so proud to be part of this. Thank you so much, Claire, for putting this enormous collaboration together. Please look down below and you will find the complete playlist. And this is my contribution to this Valentine's Day collaboration 2024. The rings you see in this video are from a previous video, which I will link above. The earrings made today are going to be gifted with the rings. They're going to love them. So far, you've seen everything I used in this project, and you will find it down in my description below. Let's get on with the show. So today, I will be happy to make earrings to match the rings that I made the other day. And these are molds from Blue Moon Studio. And I bought these many months ago at Michael's, and I thought that these would match perfectly with those rings that I made. So that's exactly what I'll be doing here, and I speeded this up for your viewing pleasure. Special thanks to Aishu from Aishu Crafty Kids Club for the next song that you're going to be hearing, because I just loved it in her last video. And I had to go find out what it was, and that's what you're going to be hearing now.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna
because I think that these came beautiful. And we're going to get a ring out. And we're going to get the matching earrings to go with it. And we're going to see how pretty. Look at that. Alright, so this is my first time trying this. And I can already see my mistakes. And let's see if you can see it too. Where are you? Here you are. So when I added these backs to the earring, I never thought about that this was going to show. So what am I going to do here? We'll figure that out. But I do like the way that this matches that ring. So that's the first one. I love that. And let's go to number 2, ring number 2. That's this one. Ring number 2. And that was this. And that is really pretty. Look how pretty that is. Matching up with that ring. And this is just a pair of earrings that I am including. This is ring number 3. And that goes, I made little leaves to go with this. And how cute, and this is perfect. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see the close-ups on these. Stunning. And this is fine. These came great. Look at that. Oh, I think I love these the best so far. Although, I love them all. Yeah. This is number 4. Okay, let's get around. So that's this one. And that would be my butterflies. So let me get them. And I made the same mistake on this one. So let's see how we're going to fix that. Although you can't see it too much here. But I do love these butterflies. And last but not least, this is number 5. Purple and green. Another purple and green. And I have little stars here. And these came gorgeous. I am really happy because I am going, and I'm gonna, that's another little cover up we're gonna need to do here. So this came out beautiful. I am going to have to I'm gonna have to fix these up in a way. I'll think of something. Let me be back in a moment. To cover up that little mistake that I made, I'm taking this little concoction I have here and just adding a minute drop on the front of the earring to cover up that little bit of the earring that you can see the back. And you'll see that in the final results. And here's the leftover few little drops that I have, and they made beautiful half moon earrings. And you'll see, I don't know if I do show that. I may not even bother to show that at the end. But here they are being put into the mold. And this is the end of our video. This was quite quick and really very satisfying to get these lovely earrings done to match those rings. And they'll be going out to their forever homes for Valentine's Day. I do hope you enjoyed what you saw here today, and that you learned a little something from me today. And if you're not subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe now. I'd love to have you join me on my resin journey, my art journey. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. And I'd like to take another moment to thank Claire, Claire's Crafty Corner, and my heartfelt thanks to my channel members, the Traveling Tramps, Lena Park Art, Simply Nanette, and Art by Sparkle. And those who gave me super thanks on my last video, Taslima Maya Art and Marie Louise Art, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please remember, the playlist is down below. I really love the way these came out. I'm so excited. I can't wait to do some more. And don't forget, please check out the video on how I made these rings. And you have a lovely pair. Earrings and rings to match. How beautiful is that? Have a great week, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. Signing off once more. Have a great week, everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye now. Be well.